Welcome to our documentary films, the problem that hinders quality education. In the heart of the Philippines, dreams are born every day. A child laughter echoes in the classroom, a mother hope shine in her daughter's eyes. But for too many, these dreams are interrupted. Early pregnancy, child labor, and lost education from chain that binds generations to poverty. This is not just a story of the future, stolen before they began. Imagine a world where all children are inspired, educated, and ready to contribute. Let us work together to give them the tools to not just survive but truly thrive. The time to act is now. For years, a foundation called the Child Project has worked hard to solve this problem. They focus on giving children the tools they need to overcome the cycle of poverty.
So ang bilang ng mga estudyanteng nagda-drop out dulot ng maagang pagbubuntis o teenage pregnancy. Ito ang
So karon atong mahinabi ang usa ka inahan nga naka hinatay og early pregnancy. So ma'am, isip usa ka inahan unsa man gyud ang kababuhan sa pagkakaroon nga pangitabo kumpara sa una?
Kasi usa ka inahan dili dali man sayo ka maburos. So naburos man ko ako na time nga nag-eskwela ko. So akong yung daghay yun ako muna nga mas undangon pa na ako eskwela kay ano. Importante ang sa kainahan nga hands-on ka sa iyong anak sa pag-atiman niya. Gikan sa gamay pa siya hangtod dako lang siya. So karon na anak ko karon sa karon nga higayon nga na-eskwela ko balik. Dayon nagpasalamat ko sa gobyerno nga karon nga free tuition. So na ko'y chance nga, na ko'y opportunity nga eskwela og balik.
160 million children are working instead of learning. Why? Child labor still exists because of poverty, lack of education, and weak government protections. In many developing countries, families can't afford basic needs like food and shelter. So children are forced to work just to help their families to survive. Our children are often found in dangerous jobs like farming with harmful chemicals, working in mines, or sewing clothes in sweatshops for very low wages.
So, may kulay na naday ta karon sa kadapit nga natin nakitang patanon nga bata pa kayo nagtrabaho na. So ato rin pangutanon kung unsa yung mga kaagis kinabuhi. So may buntag